This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Our last renovation project was carried out in an apartment building located at Troststrasse 1100 in Vienna's 10th district. We were informed by the building manager that after every rainfall, water would flow into the courtyard of the residential complex and also into the basements and the elevator shaft. Our client in this particular case was the company RES, which manages many rental properties in Vienna. She has been collaborating with us for many years, so to resolve the problem we discussed, as she always does, she turned to us for assistance. During our technical audit, we examined the drainage installation in the courtyard because, as we ascertained, it was precisely from there that water was penetrating through the mortar joints between the bricks in the tenement building's walls into its interior, flooding the basement and the elevator shaft. As it turned out years ago in the tenement house, a general reconstruction was carried out whose purpose was to create an enclosed garden for residents. It was then planned for rainwater to soak into the ground, but also partly drain into the stormwater system. However, during the garden's design, it wasn't foreseen that this solution would be insufficient for the amount of water that usually collects in the courtyard, especially after heavy rainfall. Following a technical audit, our initial recommendation to our client was to repair those specific elements of the tenement building where water was causing the most significant damage, namely all the niches located in the basement. These required immediate insulation. On the building's lowest level, the biggest challenge proved to be the cables and pipes that ran straight through the brick walls. Despite having been insulated earlier during the tenement building's renovation, water continued to flow through them. The elevator also posed a problem for residents as it was shut down for safety reasons every time its shaft became flooded. At the bottom of this shaft, water had accumulated, reaching a height of up to 20 centimeters. It seeped inside, which we also confirmed during the audit, through the horizontal and vertical joints of the concrete slabs from which the shaft was constructed. But that's not the only thing, because sooner or later it becomes an almost standard problem for all elevator systems. Water infiltration into the shaft where the walls meet the floor. Therefore, we insulated all the leaks in the basement and the elevator shaft using NCT mineral mortars. Our mortars formed a tight waterproof seal where they were applied. The structures they cover, like brick and concrete, completely retain water. In this way, what is known as the aquarium effect is created. Even during periods of very strong water pressure following intense rainfall, there are absolutely no leaks from the walls or floors. Upon completion of the work, our client received a comprehensive 30-year warranty from us for the basement wall insulation and a 5-year warranty for the concrete slab insulation within the elevator shaft. In the second scenario, because of the vibrations that are generated as the elevator moves within its shaft, these can lead to the formation of scratches on the insulated surfaces. However, we have only encountered one such incident throughout our company's history, but in that particular case, the seal failed at the connection point between the concrete shaft walls and the floor slab. In conclusion, our mortars, by penetrating brick walls, seal them up to 5 bar, which is the pressure of a water column 50 meters high. Even an all brick's strength is increased from approximately 2 to 5 newtons per square millimeter up to 14 newtons per square millimeter, which represents an increase of about 300%. In brick masonry, the mortar joint, which contains cement and lime, is also significantly strengthened. This is a material that reacts exceptionally well to our NCT mineral mortars, and it crystallizes them very rapidly at twice the speed of brick, which does not contain lime. As a result of NCT synthesis with such walls, a type of reinforcement is thus created. The combination of brick and grout reinforced by NCT mineral mortars also ensures resistance to high-pressure water and to salts and chlorides. This is a huge difference compared to ordinary slurry insulations with elasticizing dispersion.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.